If you have ever tried and struggled to manifest money, raise your hand. Okay, well, the good news is this will be the video that changes everything for you, because I am actually going to show you a science-backed way to manifest money quickly. This is not like the other money manifesting videos you've seen before. This is different, so be ready for it. This isn't manifesting money in a wishful way of think happy thoughts and hope for the best, but instead a real science-backed way that actually works. So if you've ever felt like money is hard to attract or that some people are just lucky while others struggle, this is going to change everything for you. Are you ready? Because the truth is, money manifestation isn't magic. It is science. And once you understand how to work with your brain, your energy, and the universal laws, money will start flowing to you faster than ever before. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear step-by-step process backed by neuroscience, psychology, and quantum physics. Because here on my channel, I make manifestation make sense. Plus, I'm even gonna show you one of my favorite ways to actually speed up the process. So if you're ready to manifest money, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below and let's get right into it. I try and keep all my videos under 10 minutes, so let's see if we can do it. Now, really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting, the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Now let's get into the fun part of rewiring your brain for wealth. The first thing that you need to understand is that your brain is running an automatic program when it comes to money, whether you're aware of it or not. And that program or software is based on what you've learned, what you've experienced, and what you've believed your entire life. And this is where neuroplasticity comes in. Your brain is constantly changing and rewiring itself based on your thoughts and emotions and repeated behaviors. So if you've grown up believing that money is hard to get, or you have to work really, really hard for money, or that only lucky people get money, then guess what? That is the software that your brain is running on. Your brain is filtering your entire reality to reinforce your beliefs. And this is why affirmations and subliminals and subconscious repetition work. When you repeatedly expose yourself to new ways of thinking and believing, your brain starts to rewire itself and accept them as a truth. You live by the truths that you believe. And like I mentioned before, one of my absolute favorite ways to speed up this process is this. And let me tell you, the best part is that this takes zero time or effort. And what I'm referring to is actually this money subliminal. I'm gonna go ahead and link it up here and link it down below. But this subliminal works on a subconscious level to actually start to override limiting money beliefs and instead install new wealth attracting patterns into your brain. It's kind of like upgrading and updating the software. And with subliminals, you just turn it on and go about your daily activities, doing things you normally do, like chores, walking the dog, reading, unloading the dishwasher, even sleeping. Because the key is that you don't want to be paying attention to it. It works by actually programming your subconscious mind while your conscious mind is distracted, busy doing other things. You have the power to change how you think and believe and attract money. And it all starts with what you're priming your brain for. Now, let's go even deeper into showing you that your brain is actually a machine that attracts or repels money. There's a small part of your brain that I talk about all of the time called your reticular activating system, which acts as a filter for whatever you focus on. If you believe that money is hard or difficult, your reticular activating system will literally show you evidence and proof of that. It's gonna filter everything going on in your reality and being like, see, yep, money's hard. See, told you. It's just reinforcing what you believe. But when you shift your confident focus and expectation to expecting money to just constantly flow in and show up for you in fun and unexpected ways, then your brain will actually start actively looking for ways to show you evidence of that. Like I've said before, have you ever noticed that when you decide to buy a specific car, you suddenly see it everywhere? That right there is your reticular activating system at work. It's pulling evidence to something that you deemed important and showing you exactly what your focus is. And I want to share a video with you on one of my favorite ways to actually prime my reticular activating system. And I do this through some really fun money experiments. I'm going to go ahead and link it up here, and I'll also link it down below so you can watch that after this. But it's truly so helpful in not just helping you manifest money, but it actually gives you proof of money quickly based on your reticular activating system pulling your focus to give you evidence of it, if that makes sense. Now, let's go even deeper in case you're still having any doubts. Let's get into the quantum side of manifestation. Quantum physics tells us that all possibilities exist at the same time, including the version of you that is already wealthy and has all of the money that you could ever possibly want. And the reason that most people don't manifest money quickly is because they're actually operating from the wrong version of themselves. Your current reality with money is just one possibility out of infinite timelines. And the moment that you decide to shift into a different version of you that already has that money, you start actually creating and pulling yourself into that reality. So what do I mean by creating and pulling yourself into that reality? What does it mean to shift into a version of yourself that already has it if you actually don't? And the best way I like to explain it is to start tapping into thoughts, behaviors, actions, and feelings as if you already had the money that you want. And this doesn't have to be some big, massive jump or leap or huge action. It's more gradual. It could be as simple as making a small decision as if you already had more than enough money. Or maybe thinking thoughts or seeing it through the perspective of you already having the money that you want. Little, small behaviors that over time shift everything. And the more often you practice this, the faster things will begin to shift. When you shift things on a deep internal reality, things around you start to change automatically. And that's something I could kind of tell you all day long, but once you experience it, you'll understand it. And I want to share one last practice that is so unbelievably valuable when it comes to not just manifesting money, but manifesting anything. Amazing things in every aspect of your life. And that is the daily dose, which is actually proven to rewire your mind from the inside out for success, abundance, and miracles. I'm telling you, this might be one of the most beneficial and efficient manifestation tools you will ever use. And it takes just minutes per day. You can literally transform your life in 60 seconds per day. So here's how it works. It comes with this little stand. And essentially, you pick a card at random from the deck, and you place it on this little wooden stand that it comes with, and you place it in an area that you visit a lot. It could be by your mirror, it could be by your bed, on your dresser, wherever you kind of just visit often. And you let it be your focus for the day. You can repeat it, you can ground into it, you can connect to it and remind yourself of it all day long. And inside this deck, it's not just affirmations. There are affirmations, experiments, and reminders that actually work to prime your brain and give you evidence of magic and miracles all day long. It rewires your whole entire reality from the inside out. And one of my favorites is actually the money experiment on that deck. It is so good. So the card I pulled today is, it's all possible. My success is inevitable. And I would put this somewhere like next to my bed, and I would just ground into it all day long. It's all possible. My success is inevitable. I would let that fuel me for the rest of the day. I would see it through that lens for the entire day. And right now, this daily dose is on a massive sale. It has sold out like twice already, and it just restocked. So grab yours before it's gone again. You can read through all of the reviews. You can find out more information. I'm going to leave a link up here, and I'll also link it down below. And if you're in the US, you can also get it on Prime too. So I'm going to link that down below for you as well. I think my favorite thing about the daily dose is that it encompasses so many aspects of your life beyond just money. You will start seeing results kind of like on a trickle down level on every aspect of your life. It's so, so good. And I wanted to leave you with 2 more free resources that will make such a difference in your ability to manifest money. I know I've kind of thrown a lot at you in this training, but I want results for you. If you can believe it, I want results for you probably more than you want them for yourself. It is my passion and purpose in life to show you how to manifest and do it successfully. So the first thing I want to share with you is my money workbook. It's completely free. Tens of thousands of people have used this workbook to find and uncover and clear their money blocks so quickly. And I get emails daily about people having incredible success with it. So if you find yourself stuck in patterns around money, this is an amazing place to start because it will literally kind of clear everything and get you into receiving mode. It's totally free. You can get your copy. I'll link it up here, and I'll also link it down below for you. And I'm also gonna link for you my money series playlist. Again, totally free. Inside this playlist, you're gonna find some of the best money trainings, meditations, and subliminals to show you how to manifest money with ease. There are so many amazing resources in this playlist. And again, I'm gonna link that up here and I'll also link it down below for you. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please comment below and let me know if this resonated and clicked for you. I read through almost every single comment and I love hearing from you. This community that we've built here together is everything to me. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, or more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.